Welcome in the online physics classes by BPS Convent School, Lachmangarh. We were studying the first chapter of class 11th physics, that is physical world, and we were doing comparative chart between the four fundamental forces. We have studied 3 points in the comparative chart. What is the origin of the forces? What are the force laws? And what is the relative strength of these four forces? The comparison, relative strength comparison, was done in two ways. One was through the G-force basis, gravitational force basis, and another one was through the strong nuclear force basis. Today we are going to take the fourth point, and that point is, fourth point is field particle. Field particle. Nowadays, each and every fundamental force is explained through certain particles. We assume that whenever force is applied, then interaction is going through exchange of some particles. So these forces are governed by exchange of certain particles, which are called field particles. For G force, the particle name is graviton. Graviton is the field particle due to which this G force interaction happens. And for E force, the field particle name is photons. Photons are the particles due to which electromagnetic force interaction happens. For strong nuclear force, the field particle name is meson. Mesons, various mesons are there which govern the strong nuclear interaction between nucleons. And here, for weak nuclear force, the particle name is bosons. This name is after the Indian scientist Satyendra Nath Bose. Satyendra Nath Bose, in his thesis, assumed these particles to explain this weak nuclear force interaction, and hence, after his name, these particles are called bosons. So, Satyendra Nath Bose with Einstein given the total mathematics of this weak nuclear force interaction, and hence these field particles are called bosons. Now the next property, fifth property, is range. So you know very well that sun attracts earth. It is a very huge distance. So this gravitational force interaction is large range interaction. So range is large in case of G force, and this large range is astronomical. It is not several kilometers, but this large range is of millions of kilometers. Then electromagnetic force range is also large. You dial someone a phone which is residing on the opposite side of the globe, and you talk with the person. Therefore, these electromagnetic forces are also of large range forces, but its range is few kilometers. So this force, electromagnetic force, is also large range force, and its range is few kilometers. Then these two forces are small range forces, very small range forces, because beyond the nucleus we can't experience, we can't feel these two nuclear forces. So the strong nuclear force range is small. Small means 10 raised to power minus 15 meter only, 1 femtometer only, inside the nucleus only. And this weak nuclear force is also small range force. It also acts in the nucleus only. So its range is also 10 raised to power minus 15 meter, means Fermi meter, femtometer. So these are the range of these forces. Then comes sixth, whether these forces are attraction type or repulsion type. We can see it here. Say its name, you may give attractive or repulsive. So you know very well that these gravitational forces are attraction forces, always attraction forces. You will never feel any repulsion whenever interacting with earth. It is always pulling downwards, so it is always attracting you. So these forces are attractive forces. These forces may be attraction type or repulsion type. These forces, whenever two negative charges or two positive charges are interacting, then the forces, electrical forces, are repulsive type. And if one positive and another negative charge is interacting, then the forces are attractive type. Generally, these forces are attractive. Generally, these forces are attraction forces, but at the very small distance, these are repulsive. The same is here also. If the nucleons are beyond certain limited range, then the forces are attractive, and these strong nuclear forces binds all the nucleons. And when the nucleons are beyond this, inside this range, limited range, then these strong nuclear forces automatically becomes repulsive. And here also these forces are attractive as well as repulsive. So these are also attraction repulsion forces. So these are few properties which we have compared in a chart form about the 4 fundamental forces of nature, and this is the whole chapter. First chapter named Physical World in the NCERT textbook, volume 1. So go through it. This is nothing but historical description and various relations among various sciences. So go through it and study this chart. Keep these properties in your brain so that you can utilize in the next chapters. Thank you very much. We will start the next chapter in the next lecture. So go through the second chapter also, that is named as units and measurements. So we'll start in the next chapter units and measurements. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.